Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today, I'm helping you to prepare for your SATS writing by teaching you about contractions. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you improve your writing and your grammar. Okay, let's learn about contractions. Before we set off, let's just think about how we are assessed for writing when we do our Key Stage 2 SATs. Your teacher will be looking for evidence of a range of skills and a selection of pieces of writing that are completed in class independently by you. You'll be awarded one of 3 grades, working towards expected standard, or greater depth. And one of the things that you'll need to do is show that you can use contractions accurately over a number of pieces of writing, at least 3 or 4 that you complete over the course of Key Stage 2, likely in Year 6. So let's think now about what contractions are. So what is a contraction? We speak quicker than we write, and some words have come into fashion because of the way we talk. Do not can also be expressed as don't, which is a contraction. Those 2 words have come together to form one. That's what a contraction is. When you use contractions, you have to make sure that you are writing them accurately. And in where we've got do not, the O of not has been omitted. So where that used to be, now we have apostrophe in its place. So contractions require an apostrophe in place of a letter or letters that have been omitted. Where a letter used to be, now we see apostrophe. Don't miss the apostrophe out. That is what you need to do to use contractions accurately. And here are some examples of contractions. Don't, which is do and not. Could not becomes couldn't. Should not becomes shouldn't. Would not becomes wouldn't. We've got cannot becomes can't. I will or I shall becomes I'll. Will not becomes won't. A little bit archaic in that sense. It bucks the trend. We've got I am becomes I'm. They are becomes there. He will is he'll, she will is she'll, they are is there, and we are becomes we're. Here's an example of a sentence that uses a contraction, or 2 sentences rather that have contractions. Mrs. Adams didn't stop being a teacher when she won the lottery. She couldn't face not being a teacher, and it's something she's proud of. So we've got a number of contractions being used in that sentence. Here's a practice task for you. These sentences are accurate, but they contain words that can be contracted. We've got the children do not like bedtime. The cat should not sit on the sofa. It is too late to go to the shops. She will do a great job. I will do this quickly. You can pause here and give yourself a few minutes to write these sentences out accurately using contractions. And then once you've done that, you can play the video and you can see whether or not you've been accurate in your responses. And here are the answers for you. We've got the children don't like bedtime. The cat shouldn't sit on the sofa. It's too late to go to the shops. And that's quite an interesting one, because if you've got something like its face, you don't use an apostrophe. You only use an apostrophe if you're contracting it and is. So it's too late to go to the shops. She'll do a great job. She will. And I will do this quickly becomes I'll do this quickly. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask for something you'd like to see me cover in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.